Your camera roll is full and you want your photos on the Mac, but it always goes wrong. Half of them copy over, you end up with duplicates, or you can't find them at all. Here's the thing, there are 4 ways to do it, and each one is for a different job. One is for 2 quick photos, one is for emptying the whole phone. Let me show you which to use and when. Step 1. 2 quick photos with AirDrop. For a handful of photos, nothing beats it. No cables, no apps. On the Mac, open Finder, click AirDrop in the sidebar, and at the bottom of the window set, Allow me to be discovered by everyone. On the iPhone, open Photos, select the images you need. Tap the Share button at the bottom left, then AirDrop, then tap your Mac's name. The photos land in seconds, but watch where they go. They end up in the Downloads folder, not inside the Mac's Photos app. If your Mac doesn't show up, check that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on for both devices. Step 2. The whole camera roll with a cable. It's the only way that depends neither on your network nor on iCloud storage. Plug the iPhone into the Mac with a cable, then unlock the phone. You'll see the Trust, this computer prompt, and you have to tap Trust. On the Mac, open the Photos app. Your iPhone appears in the sidebar, under Devices. From there, choose Import all new items, or select just the ones you want, and click Import Selected. There's a checkbox that says Delete items after import. Only tick that once you've actually seen the photos land on the Mac, never before. Step 3. Never do it again with iCloud Photos. If both libraries are in sync, there's nothing left to transfer. On the iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then iCloud, then Photos, and turn on Sync this iPhone. On the Mac, open the Photos app, go into the app's settings, open the iCloud tab, and tick iCloud Photos. From then on, everything you shoot shows up on the Mac by itself, no cables. One thing you need to know though, this is a sync, not a backup. Delete a photo on the Mac, and it disappears from the iPhone too. And if you have a lot of photos, the free 5 gigabytes won't be enough. Step 4. Files where you want them. With image capture, it drops them into a normal folder without burying them in a library. On the Mac, open Image Capture. It's already installed. Just find it with Spotlight. Connect the iPhone and select it in the sidebar. At the bottom, there's a drop-down where you pick the destination folder. You can send the photos anywhere you like, even to an external drive. Then click Import All, or select and import only some of them. This is the right method when you need to archive or hand the photos over to somebody else, because it gives you back real files instead of a library. Rule of thumb. AirDrop sends 2 photos, the cable moves the whole roll, and if you never want to think about it again, turn on iCloud Photos. Tell me in the comments which one you use, and subscribe to Tato's for more iPhone tutorials.